So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to turn your old wig, how to return them back to life, how to make them look brand new again with just 3 ingredients. So this is how to revamp in my own way. Make sure you watch from beginning to the end. I'll be right back. Hi guys, this is Ebony Style. You're welcome back to my channel. To my returning subscribers, you're welcome. To my new subscribers, you're welcome. And for you that are just looking at my video for the first time, you're also welcome. So this is the wig, guys. This is the wig. I want to revamp this wig. My clients gave me to revamp it for it looks very dusty, very dirty, and it is looking old. And this hair is a woman hair, like 60% woman hair. So I'm going to revamp the wig for her. And now in this part I loosed everything because she also told me to change the net for her. The wig is old, so I have to change everything for her. So now I just went on and use the hair from the cap, like the old cap. I loosed the hair using a blade, razor blade. I removed the hair away from the cap. I separate them from each other. So I removed the hair from the cap using a razor blade. I remove everything including the closure parts using a razor blade. And when you are removing it, in case you want to remove it also, like you have a wig that you want to remove from the cap and change another cap too, this video is also for you. So just make sure when you are removing it, use a blunt razor blade, don't use a sharp one. So you won't cut yourself, 1, and 2, you won't cut the weave on or 2. So guys, I moved it step by step, right from the back sides to the front sides. So you can just remove it in a way that is very easy for you guys. So this is everything. When I've removed it, this is the closure. I've never seen this type of closure before. This is the first time. Very tiny, very straight, very full, and I don't know, it's just looking little, looking small. And so this is everything. This is a weave on. So now I'm just going to put the weave on inside a bowl like this. This is it. This is everything. This is everything. Very dirty, very dusty. So I just have to put it inside the bowl, and then I have a water, and I'm going to pour a boiled water inside the water. Like I'll mix a cold water with a hot boiled water. So just, it's very warm. Like if you dip your hand inside this water, is very warm. You can't even use it to bath because it's very very hot. So that's it. So now I'm just going to add a clean detergent. So you guys are shocked, right? Yes. So I added a clean detergent. Yes, a clean. I don't know anything about another detergent, but I know a lot about clean detergent. So that's why I use a clean detergent. I've poured it inside the air. I've already dipped the air inside the bowl, so I pour the water. I've mixed the water. I'm using a warm water, not a cold water. So guys, I will just wash as if I want to wash clothes. So that's it. So I washed. Come and see the dirty. Come and see the water. Come and see the so I washed the attachment. Attachment have gone my head. I washed the weave on, like inside the water. Can you see the water after I've washed with detergent, with clean detergent? See the water. So I have to pour the water away, and then I will add a painter's shampoo. Like, you can use any type of shampoo, but I always like using this type of shampoo for hairs like this. So I added shampoo to the hair. So this is the second ingredient. The first ingredient is clean detergent, and second one is a shampoo. So I add the shampoo and then I pour water and then I wash again. Like, I hope you guys understand. I washed it again. So after washing again, the hair is already clean. I washed at first with a clean detergent before washing with a shampoo detergent. And the reason why I wash it with a clean detergent, because I know the quantity, like the quality of using clean detergent to wash. Yes, so it removed the it removed the dust, the dirty part of the weave on away before I use a shampoo. So after using a shampoo, I'll go on and rinse the hair like this. I'll go on and rinse the hair just like this. I don't know that I always have issues with videos. Like when I'm doing the video, I don't always put the camera in the right place. It's not really easy doing it yourself. So this is it. I just rinse the weave on the hair. I rinse it and rinse it again, just to make sure the shampoo is off the hair. There is no shampoo on it again. So I just need to wash rinse it very well, rinse it so well, so that I'll be sure the shampoo is not on the weave on again. So if you rinse once, you can go on and rinse it again anyhow you want it. You can rinse it like twice. So this is it. And now I'll be using a conditioner. This is the third ingredient I used, a conditioner. So I pour the conditioner inside the bowl. I pour the weave on and then I pour the warm water on it. So guys, so after pouring the warm water, pouring the conditioner and the weave on, I'm just going to soak it inside the conditioner for some minutes. Can soak it for 10 minutes, for 15 can pour it for 10 minutes, for 15 minutes. So I just soak the hair inside the water for some minutes. So you have to dip the hair inside the conditioner water. Just make sure you dip it inside very well, all the parts of the conditioner. So this is after some minutes, and then I will rinse the hair out from the conditioner water like this. What the hair, this is a conditioner water. So don't forget, I've poured conditioner, and after some minutes I rinse it out of it. Like I remove it out of the conditioner water, and then I'll go on and sun dry it, guys. So this is when the hair gets dry. You can see the look already. Like so the thing is, when the hair gets dry, you see how the weave on will turn. Like it will look like sponge. You think you've spoiled the weave on, but calm down. So you just have to brush it right from the tip. You can see I brushed it right from the tip, and when I brush right from the tip and I've seen that the tip is well brushed, and then I will go to the like the bottom side, and then I'll go to the top side and brush again. I brush everything with patience. I don't rush, so I brush it right from the bottom side to the top side. You can see the way I'm brushing it. I did not rush. I took my time to brush everything, because when the hair gets dry, there's a way the weave on is going to look. You think you've spoiled it. No, you've not. You are just calling that hair back to life. So you just have to be patient when you are brushing it. And if you don't want to go through this stress, when you put conditioner on the hair, like you soak it with conditioner, when you want to rinse it out from the conditioner, you can just use your hand to separate the hairs. Like, you understand, you can use your hand to separate the hairs from each other before you went on and sun dry the hair. So when you are brushing, you won't have any complaints. Like, it will look nice and perfect. Just the brushing will be light. It won't give you a lot of work like this. So yeah, I use I'm just picking out the woods. You know, I lose this hair from the former cap, so I still have woods like thread on it. So that's what I'm removing here, and then I'll brush it again. Look at the hair now. So you have to brush, take your time, brush it. And I've said it, if you don't want to go through this process, you can go through that process by removing it from the conditioner water and use your hand to separate it before you sun dry it. So this is the hair, guys, when I've brushed everything. So this is it when I've brushed every part of the hair. So this is it. So now just go ahead and sew it on a dome cap. Yes, I'm using a dome. You know, I've said it earlier that I want to change the net. So this is the net I'll be using. This is the cap I'll be using now. I'm not using the former cap again. So I'll be using a dome cap, and here I've already sewn it using a sewing machine, the closure side and the weave one. Do you know the funniest part? After this video, I went on and straightened the hair. Can you believe I did not do the video? Before I sent it to my clients, but I was able to get this video when I want to send it to her, when she's asking me to send the video of the hair to her. So this is when I've straightened the hair. You can see how good the hair. So I told her to send me pictures. Look at the pictures she sent to me. This is at the party she went to. So see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.